Welcome to this video. I will show you how you can extract text from an audio file using Whisper model from Hugging Face. Actually, this idea came after taking the course, The Theory and Practice of Data Cleaning by Professor Bertram at the University of Illinois Urbana-Champaign. But first, why we may need to extract text from audio? What is the problem I want to solve by using AI models? First, you may create captions or subtitles to improve the accessibility for viewers who are deaf or hard of hearing. Additionally, writing a summary or extracting the main points from the audio without watching it. You may also use this text for other downstream tasks using other machine learning models or large language models like ChatGPT or BERT, whatever you want whatever your problem you are solving. I will show you the steps using this code, which you can find it in my GitHub repo. I'm using Google Colab. So to get access to your files, you need to have this piece of code. Then I will start to import the required libraries, import torch and transformers, to import Whisper process and Whisper for conditional generation. Then we start by loading the Whisper processor and model from Hugging Face. It may take some time. It depends on your GPU. If you are using local GPU, I'm using the GPUs of Google Colab. And then you mention the audio to your path. You can copy the path from here. This drive you will find it here, then click and then copy path. Then we load the audio file by this method from the library that we have already imported. Audio will be an NumPy, this one. The audio is an NumPy array containing the audio samples, and the rate is the sampling rate of audio file. In my case, I'm using the argument 16,000. This is resamples the audio to a sampling rate of 16 kilohertz, which is the required input sampling rate for the Whisper model. Now we pre-process the audio file for Whisper model. It should be using tensors. Then we generate the transcription by this piece of code by using the model generate and the input feature that is generated in the previous step. So this line, the pre-processed audio features to the model to generate transcription IDs. The model produces token IDs that corresponded to the transcribed text. Now we decode the generated transcription because we need to have the readable text. So using this patch decode, we can pass the IDs to have the readable text. Then finally, we can print the output using any print or any kind of method you want to